Hey y'all, Michael here. Here, this is for the thread, about the USB broken off. I'm just going to show y'all exactly what's going on here. Okay, here, that way you can see, what I'm talking about. Right here, let me try to I don't keep getting in the light, but, let me find a good tool so I can point out where I'm talking about. But, let's see. Right here is one of the holes. Right here is another hole. Here's for the sides of the things. Okay, this is where I'm talking about the connector. Here it is on the end of my USB cord. And here's my the computer there where I have betaflight. Now, the way I've been doing this is I'll just kind of sit it there, and if I hold it, no problem. Okay? And that's how I access betaflight. And that's how I'm doing it. But, of course, I can't hold it there, and it's very touchy, so I use that little clamp. I don't know what I've done with it, but it's somewhere around here. But anyway, it was in the picture, and then I'll just have it hold it. But let's get, if I can get out of the light. I don't see how I keep getting into the light, but I think it's just my phone. But if you look, I really don't know what in the world I would have to do to solder that, because if you look, let me hold it. I'm sorry I'm getting so shaky, but if you look, there's so many wires here and little components here and here that I'm really afraid I would drip solder on, because, and I really wouldn't know, like if I took this is hard to do. I keep getting in the light, sorry. But my solder, what I would even do, or what I would even begin to do, and here's my solder gun right here. I don't know what end I would, piece I would use, or anything like that, but that's what I'm talking about right there. And, like I say, let me sit that there. This is kind of awkward holding this like this, but anyway, I could just take this, and if I hit it just right, of course I can access betaflight, and then I will just clamp it with that little clip to keep it on there. This comes on and off. Up here, I'll just leave it there. I only got one hand here. Like I said, I don't have anybody to hold the camera. But that's that. And I'll be more than happy to make any more videos of stuff. And if I do decide to solder, if I get some good tips on how to do it, I'll make the video doing it. But anyway, that's that. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this. I'll see y'all in a few minutes. See ya. Bye.